आपण फोर्थ मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन बघूया फिनॉलची. दॅट इज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल फ्रॉम ॲनिलीन बाय डायॲझोटायझेशन. ओके, तर हा शब्द पण समजून घेऊया आपण. डायॲझोटायझेशन म्हणजे काय. ओके, so first we have to understand what we have to do in this reaction. Okay. तर या ठिकाणी ॲनिलीनची रिएक्शन्स आपल्याला कुणासोबत करायची आहे, नायट्रस ऍसिड, दॅट इज HNO2. ओके, दिस nitrous acid we have to take here, HNO2. Okay, but this nitrous acid is prepared from sodium nitrite, NaNO2, sodium nitrite, and here HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Okay, now this H combines with NO2 and Cl combines with NaCl. So what could be the byproduct here? NaCl. So this acid is prepared from sodium nitrite and HCl in situ. Okay, so this is prepared in situ. In situ means what? At the site of action. जिथे त्याची गरज आहे त्या ठिकाणी ते तयार होते. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज इन सिटू. ओके, नाउ aniline. So aniline means what? If you have NH2 group attached to benzene ring, this is called as aniline. Now this aniline is treated with nitrous acid. Okay, how this nitrous acid is generated? This nitrous acid is generated from here NaNO2 and HCl. NaNO2 and HCl. Okay, this reaction is carried out at low temperature, that is 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin, means 0 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius. Strictly we have to follow this instruction, that is temperature. Okay, so this nitrous acid react with NH2 group of aniline. Okay, for balancing purpose we are taking here HCl. HCl is already in solutions. Okay, so we are just writing this two reactant in bracket because actually we have taken this reactant, and from these two reactants during reaction there is formation of nitrous acid. Okay, म्हणजे प्रॅक्टिकली आपण हे सबस्टन्स घेतलेले NaNO2 आणि HCl, आणि इथे रिएक्शन्स मध्ये काय तयार होतं ऍक्च्युअली, HNO2, that is nitrous acid. Okay, now when nitrous acid reacts with this NH2 group, there is formation of diazonium salt. Okay, so there is only one nitrogen attached to the benzene ring in aniline. Okay, I am just writing here one nitrogen, and another nitrogen comes from nitrous acid. Another nitrogen comes from this nitrous acid. So here two nitrogens are bonded by 3 bonds. Okay, triple bonds, right? दोन नायट्रोजन मध्ये ट्रिपल बॉन्ड्स असतात. आता या नायट्रोजनला किती बॉन्ड झालेले आहेत? हाऊ मेनी बॉन्ड्स? दिस नायट्रोजन हॅज 4. जेव्हा नायट्रोजनला 4 बॉन्ड्स होतात तेव्हा तो इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशियंट होतो, आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशियंट झाल्यामुळे त्याच्यावर कोणता चार्ज येणार इथे? पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज, राईट? नाउ दिस पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज इज बॅलन्स्ड बाय द निगेटिव्ह चार्ज ऑफ क्लोराइड आयन. सो वी हॅव टू राईट हिअर Cl मायनस. ओके, लक्षात आलंय तुम्हाला? याला असं पण लिहिता येतं, बेन्झीन रिंग डायरेक्ट तुम्ही लिहू शकता N2 प्लस अँड हिअर Cl मायनस. ओके, नाउ व्हॉट इज द बाय प्रोडक्ट? देयर आर 2 ऑक्सिजन्स हिअर अँड 4 हायड्रोजन्स. 2 + 1 3, 3 + 1 4. 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygen, they will form here 2 molecules of water. They will form here 2 molecules of water. Okay. So what is the name of this compound? This ring is benzene ring. Right. And there are 2 nitrogens attached here. So this is called as azo. Nitrogen means azo. And there are 2 nitrogens. So this is diazo. And positive charge is present here. So we are using this suffix IUM or nium. Benzene diazonium chloride. You will get benzene diazonium chloride. Okay. As the intermediate. Now this is also known as diazonium salt. यालाच काय म्हटलेलं आहे? Diazonium salt. Okay. Now this diazonium salt is treated with water. This diazonium salt, in second step we have to carry out the hydrolysis. काय करायचं आपल्याला यांचं hydrolysis करायचं आहे. So this diazonium salt is treated with water but in presence of acid, that is dilute H2SO4. बघा बेंझीन डायझोनियम क्लोराइड घेतला आपण इथे, त्याला आपण इथे शॉर्ट मध्ये लिहूया diazonium salt. Now this diazonium salt undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid. What happened? बघा. Now this whole group, diazonium group, this whole group, diazonium group, is replaced by OH. So we have to put OH here, okay, instead of this diazonium group. याला काढायचे, OH इथे ठेवायचे. Okay. This H combines with this Cl. So you will get HCl and nitrogen gas N2 molecule will be released here. तर इथे बघा काय काय मिळतं आपल्याला. बेंझीन रिंगला OH अटॅच असणार. So this is phenol. Right? Now H combines with the Cl, you will get here HCl and nitrogen gas is evolved. N2. Upward arrow indicates this is in a gaseous phase. Okay. तर लक्षात आले, this method is known as diazotization method because there is formation of diazonium salt. Di means 2, azo means nitrogens and there is positive charge, so we are using nium as a suffix here, diazonium salt. Okay. So this is very important method and this method is used to prepare phenol as well as other compounds.